What is a network topology? In this lesson, we will answer this question and we will focus network topology types. A network topology is basically the connection style of the network nodes. To build a network, we need a network topology. According to our needs, we can select one of these topologies to build our network. There are different network topology types. These are bus, ring, star, extended star, line, point-to-point, partial mesh, full mesh, tree. Why we use each of these network topologies. Here, we will explain the details of each of these network types. We will learn their characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages one by one. The first topology type is bus topology. This is the simplest topology in networking. In this type of network, all the nodes are connected to a media. There is one main road, so at a time, only one device can send or receive data on this network. Bus topology uses carrier sense multiple access. Carrier sense multiple access is a method used in networking to manage how devices share a communication channel to transfer. This network topology is non-redundant, so it is not secure topology type. In bus topology, if a node fails, it do not affect other devices. So the data transmission continues. This solution is a cheap solution, and it is mainly used as temporary networks. The second topology is a ring topology. This is a closed loop connection. All the nodes are connected to a media like a circle. If you use two rings, then it provides redundancy. So how does it work? A ring topology works with tokens. The device that has this token at that time can transfer data. These tokens prevents collisions. Ring topology provides fast data transmission. But it is also not secure like bus topology. And here, there is a critical point also. All the nodes are single point of failure. If one of them fails, the communication of this network fails. Lastly, the troubleshooting is difficult in these network types. Another topology type is star topology. In such a topology, all the nodes are connected to a central node as star. The name of this central node is called hub or switch. The management of the network is done in this central node. The critical point is this: hub is a single point of failure. When it fails, network fails too. Star topology is a scalable solution. Each node is connected with a separate media, so there is a fault isolation in the network. Troubleshooting is easy in these networks. The installation of this topology type is costly, but operation is easy. It is widely used in today's networks. Extended star is an extended version of star topology, as its name implies. In star topology, there is a central node and some end nodes. In extended star, there is a central device, there are end nodes and sub-end nodes. The installation is also costly in this topology type. Line topology is also called linear bus topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected orderly like a line. The setup of these networks is easy. It is also easy to add new devices in these networks, but if you add new devices to this topology, this can slow down your network because it is using a shared media. Single point of failure is also true for line topology. If one node fails in this topology, then the other ends cannot reach the other one. Another insecure thing is, in line topology, all the nodes can receive the data that you sent because they are using the same media. Point-to-point node connection is a node-to-node connection. When we connect one node to another node with a media, this is point-to-point connection. At a time, one node is sender and the other is receiver in this topology. Point-to-point topology provides high bandwidth because the media is not a shared media with any other devices. It is widely used in networks. Full mesh topology is the topology in which all the nodes are connected together. It is the most redundant topology in networking because all connections has multiple redundant links. So how many links do we need for a full mesh topology? Or how to calculate the number of links in a full mesh topology? The formula is n times n minus 1 divided by 2. Here, n is the number of nodes in the full mesh topology. Fault toleration is very high here. Full mesh topology is an expensive solution and it needs more effort at the beginning. But after installation, it is the most secure topology type. Partial mesh topology is the topology which has both point-to-point single links and mesh links. In such topologies, some nodes are connected directly to one node. Others can connect it to all the other nodes. So here, there is redundancy for some nodes. Partial mesh topologies are less complex than full mesh topologies. They are also cheaper than full mesh topologies. The other topology type is tree topology. It is a combination of bus topology and star topology. Here, there is a central node and there are subcentral nodes. It is a hierarchical design for networks. When you need to add a device to this network, it is easy to do this. Because this topology type is highly scalable, it is easy to maintenance and troubleshoot in a tree topology. A tree topology is also reliable and secure topology, but it is difficult to configure and it is an expensive solution. We have talked about wired network topology types till now. There are also wireless network topologies. We will now see deeply here because this is the lesson of wireless networking. But let's give a brief information about wireless networks. Wireless topologies are invisible topologies. There is no physical cable except some central connections. Radio frequencies and infrared waves are used in these networks. There are three wireless topology types. These are Basic Service Set, BSS, Extended Service Set, ESS, and Independent Basic Service Set, IBSS. We will talk the details of these wireless topology types in the following lessons. Lastly, let's talk about two terms. In technical documents, we can see two different topology pictures. One of them is physical topology, the other is logical topology. Physical topology is the layout of the components on the network. It shows the physical connections in the network. The wiring layout is shown in this topology. In logical topology, the logical layout of the network is shown. It shows how nodes communicate and the data is transmitted. Now, it is time to test our knowledge on network topology types. Question 1. In which topology nodes are connected on a circle media and use tokens? Bus, star, ring, full mesh, tree. The answer is ring. In which topology all nodes are connected together? Bus, star, ring, full mesh, tree. It is full mesh. How many links do we need for a full mesh topology with 7 devices? 6, 7, 14, 21, or 42? The correct answer is 21. The formula 7 times 7 minus 1 divided by 2 equals 21. Which topology is hierarchical? Bus, line, ring, partial mesh, tree. It is tree topology. Which one is true about physical topology? Includes physical layout of the components, describes how devices are physically connected, specifies cabling, includes logical layout of the components, describes how data is transmitted. Correct answers are A, B, and C. This is the end of our lesson. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Good luck!